What's up, guys? And welcome back to another video of Charlie J. Wolf. And you already know, the main man here is Wizard Gamer. What's this?
Hey, stop that. Hey, stop that.
What is this?
No,
Ew.
stop that.
That
Yeah,
is Wizard Gamer. My game is there.
No, I cannot see your game. Your game. iPhone.
That's not a game. My game is you're already holding
No.
it. Give it to me.
No. No, 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 no.
Or else I'm gonna turn off the DS.
Okay. I
May have to. Holy cow. What? Hold the camera.
What?
What's up, guys?
Hey, you over there? Is this a YouTube channel? Oh wait, it's not the first video. Hey Turkey. Hey Turkey.
So, guys, this is my Nintendo DS. What? 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 Why are you stepping on my shoes?
What?
You don't want to play? Okay, I'm gonna shut down the DS. So guys, we're gonna end the vlog here because of Andres. And yeah, peace out, guys.